very hand-picked 40 to 45 top jewelry manufacturers of India, which are specially selected by GJC, and around 150 to 200 top retailers from across India. So they come for networking meet where the top jewelers as well as the top manufacturers, they meet each other, business, look at new designs and everything. So it's an interaction, and it is one of a kind event, and GJC was the pioneer in this, and we had started it almost 10-12 years back, and this is our 5th event, which is a 2-year event. So this is the 5th edition which is getting over, and along with that we have National Jewelry Awards 2021.
How many times in Goa? This is the first time or the second?
No, this National Jewelry Awards is happening for the first time in Goa, but this PMI has been happening in Goa on and off, so about 4 to 5 times we have had. But this year, since we are coming out of the pandemic and physical events are slowly being allowed, and this is the 10th year of our National Jewelry Awards. National Jewelry Awards, the speciality is that it is by the industry and for the industry. And it is my convener, Mr. Nilesh Shobhat, is here.
Hello.
He will give you information about the award also.
Before he comes in, there was a...
Interestingly, after this second wave came, after that second wave had hit almost complete country and things were really bad. But after the vaccinations picked up, things are coming back to normal. There are 2-3 important factors why you are seeing this phenomena where the sales are going up. Number one is that people's confidence is back in the economy. That they are hoping that the third wave will not happen. So people are going out and doing the purchasing. It's a natural phenomenon. If you suppress something for too long, it jumps back. So there is kind of revenge shopping happening. People want to go out and do the shopping, number one.
Percentage rise?
I'll tell you about the percentage rise. I'll just complete the point. Second point is that during last 1.5 years, many weddings were cancelled because of the pandemic. So in next 4 to 5 months, the maximum number of weddings are happening. And Indian jewelry market, almost 60% to 65% of the jewelry demand comes from wedding jewelry. So that demand is coming back into the market. And number 3 is, during the pandemic, people have seen that the financial markets melt down. But gold was always there to sustain with them in difficult times. The prices went up. So people's confidence in gold as an asset class or as a product had gone up. So because of these 3 things, people are out and buying jewelry. आपने पूछा कि what is the percentage wise? So if you are comparing 2021, it will not be right to compare it with 2020 because 2020 is a very peculiar year which we cannot compare.
19,
so we have to compare it 2019. So आज की तारीख में हम देख रहे हैं कि जो डिमांड है वो प्री पैंडेमिक लेवल तक सब जगह आ गई है, और ये सीजन में तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि प्री पैंडेमिक लेवल से भी 15 से 20% ऊपर जाएगी, ऐसा मैं देख रहा हूँ.
15 to 20%.
Over for the season over 2019.
Okay.
That is my guess. Yes. PMI जो हमारा इवेंट है उसका और गोवा का एकदम क्लोज बॉन्डिंग है इतने सालों से, बिकॉज PMI का हमारा जो सेंट्रल थीम है उसमें लीजर और बिजनेस दोनों का एक मिलाप है. तो लीजर के लिए पूरे इंडिया में व्हाट बेटर प्लेस देन गोवा, पूरा इंडिया गोवा में आता है. तो जो रिटेलर्स रहते हैं या जो बिज़नेस करने आते हैं वो बहुत बारी उनकी फैमिली के साथ भी आते हैं. सो द फैमिली हैज़ द लीजर टाइम विथ द बिजनेसमैन एज वेल एज देयर ओन टाइम, एंड ड्यूरिंग द डे दे डू बिजनेस. सो इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. सो नो बेटर प्लेस देन गोवा. तो PMI और गोवा का बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है.
So how many people have gathered here?
There are 38 to 40 jewelers who are exhibiting their products, and around 200 retailers from across India, right from Kerala to Delhi, Jammu Kashmir, Kolkata, Bihar, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. From all over the place people are coming. So around 200 retailers spread over 3 days because of the COVID restrictions. We are spread over 3 days 200 retailers are coming.
Internationally, anyone is?
No, not international. It's because international travel is also currently restricted. But this is a purely domestic product where domestic jewelers and manufacturers meet each other.
Anyone from Goa?
Yes, many Goa jewelers are there. The Goa Association president was also there at the inauguration. Local jewelers like Ullas Jewelers and other people have also come here because this gives them, the local jewelers also, a chance to look at what are the trends which are happening from manufacturers across India. अमृतसर के ज्वेलर्स आते हैं, कलकत्ता के रिटेलर्स माल दिखाने के लिए आते हैं, राजकोट से आते हैं. तो क्या क्या ट्रेंड इंडिया में चल रहा है वो दे कैन सिलेक्ट वो डिज़ाइंस और अपने यहाँ के लोकल पॉपुलेशन को वो दिखा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द मेन सक्सेस ऑफ दिस PM.
That's one concept people have misconcept. I don't know what is it. They always prefer to go to buy gold internationally in Dubai. Is it any reason for this?
See, in India there is a custom duty of 7.5%, and plus there is a cess. So the import duty goes to around 10 to 10.5%. So 10.5% at today's rates is almost per 10 grams 4,500. So there is a price differential in Dubai and in India. So people have a sense that if you are going for traveling and enjoyment in Dubai, maybe some personal use jewelry they can buy there and they can come back. But even if you buy in Dubai or you buy here, there is a marginal difference of 4 to 5%. But people just, since they are going there for holidays and enjoyment, they do shopping also and come.
And quality wise?
Quality wise, most of the jewelry also is sourced from India and obviously from Italy and Turkey and other places. But 70-80% jewelry goes from India. So essentially the quality is the same, but it's that again leisure as well as business that happens.
National Jewelry, it's basically to encourage all the jewelers as well as the karigars. In this, we are having Karigar also. We are having student award also, and we are having jewelers also. In jewelry, there are retailer, wholesaler, and manufacturer. All are participating in it. In all, there are total 14 awards in it. That's 14 is again divided into sections. Like couture is there, then what we call color stones is there, pearls are there. So again those are divided into some sections.
So essentially, whatever people manufacture or design latest collections in the last 1 year, they are eligible to participate in this. May it be a retailer or a manufacturer or a wholesaler, they
And
can
there's
participate.
a jury which judges.
And there is an independent jury which is illustrious people from the industry, from the fashion industry or from television and other fields who know what the trends are happening. तो वो सब बात साथ में आके उसको जज करते हैं. और इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यह है कि हमने एक एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी लिया है, अर्नस्ट एंड यंग, विच इज रिनाउंड कंसल्टिंग फर्म. दे आर ऑडिटिंग द अवार्ड्स. सो वॉट एवर अवार्ड्स का मार्किंग होता है, कौन जीतता है, कौन शॉर्टलिस्ट होता है, दैट इवन कमिटी और द बोर्ड ऑल्सो डज नॉट नो. It is the E&Y auditors who do the numbering, who do the calculations, and they reserve the records with them, and only at the time of announcing the results they do. So credibility of these awards is very high, number one. Number two, we also support students who want to take up gem and jewelry or gemology. So we give scholarship to 10 deserving students for each 1 lakh rupees, correct?
1 lakh rupees.
1 lakh rupees each, where they can take whatever courses they want in gem and jewelry or designing, CAD, anything. So that 1 lakh rupees sponsorship is given by the Gem and Jewelry Council. So that we are doing. Secondly, we are promoting the actual artisans who are working, who are creating the crafts. So उनको भी हम promote करने के लिए उनका भी एक हमने award हमने रखा है. Apart from that, the stalwarts of the industry who have been, working for the industry. So in all 4 zones, we give award called Gem of the Year. for people's contribution for the industry. And we have a national award, Anmol Ratna. It is like a lifetime achievement award. So that award is also given during this ceremony.
Recently, we have started one Yuva Ratna. Anyone from
Youngsters.
who is doing or who is taking to the next level to the business. So even we have started that now. And one award is for the woman, who's the woman entrepreneur we call. So even that award is there in it.
So we try and cover 360 degrees, even from youngsters, women entrepreneurs, senior people who have contributed. So we try and cover everyone and award them or felicitate them in a way.
So even in the COVID period, like after the COVID, even we were into the tense, okay, we should do or not. But people were so excited, like all the jewelers or even the karigars were so excited. The entries what we have received was nearly above 800 entries. And this time even the juries were shocked that although being the
Difficult
COVID
times, yes.
and difficult times was there, and still the designs are really fantastic like you. So it was really a great show.
We are really thankful to the industry for supporting our events.
Regarding
Technically, definition of hallmarking is a particular marking done on jewelry piece which makes sure and which gives confidence to the consumer that whatever caratage is being said by the jeweler, it is tested by an independent laboratory which is accredited with the government. They check the purity of the jewelry, and once they are satisfied, convinced, they mark that hallmark on the piece of jewelry. So anyone who is buying jewelry has peace of mind that whatever I am buying is the correct purity of the jewelry. अगर 18 कैरेट का मार्क है, 18 कैरेट ज्वेलर बेच रहा है और हॉलमार्क में 18 कैरेट लिखा है, तो कस्टमर को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा कि जो मैं ले रहा हूँ 18 कैरेट वो 18 कैरेट ही है, अगर 22 कैरेट बेच रहा है तो 22 कैरेट ही है. सो दैट पीस ऑफ माइंड कस्टमर विल गेट. और वो हॉलमार्क होने से बहुत बारी क्या होता है, ज्वेलर्स अभी डिज़ाइन नए नए बनाते हैं, तो कस्टमर भी एक ज्वेलर के पास से ज्वेलरी लेकर दूसरे ज्वेलर को बेचता है, कहीं कहीं दूसरे सिटीज़ में ट्रैवल करते हैं. तो हॉलमार्क होने से उनको वो पीस कहीं भी जाएंगे तो उनको अच्छा उसका प्राइस मिलेगा. अदरवाइज़ किसी एक का ज्वेलर का माल दूसरे के पास जाता है तो उसमें कुछ कट होता है, तो हॉलमार्क में ये नहीं होगा. सो ये हॉलमार्क के लिए अच्छा है. गवर्नमेंट ने 256 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आज मैंडेटरी हॉलमार्किंग लागू कर दिया है फ्रॉम 16 जून, और बाकी के डिस्ट्रिक्ट में अभी भी मैंडेटरी नहीं है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आगे चल के गवर्नमेंट के पास भी रोड मैप है कि पूरे ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये मैंडेटरी हो जाएगा. हमारी इंडस्ट्री ने भी इसका वेलकम किया है मैंडेटरी हॉलमार्किंग का, और जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की थोड़ी कमी थी उसमें तकलीफ़ हो रही थी, इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ने सिर्फ 256 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए अभी ये लॉन्च किया है हमारी बात सुन के. और HOID करने में भी थोड़ी तकलीफ़ें थी, तो हमने आई वॉज इन द पार्ट एक्सपर्ट कमेटी एज वेल एज एडवाइजरी कमेटी ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स. तो हमारी बातें मानकर उन्होंने HOID का सरलीकरण किया है और उसका ट्रैकिंग भी उन्होंने अभी स्टॉप कर दिया है. तो हॉलमार्किंग पहले 15 दिन लग रहा था, उसकी जगह अभी 1-2 दिन में हो रहा है, और सीज़न में हॉलमार्किंग के चलते कोई तकलीफ नहीं दिख रही.
any guidelines are there for the customers?
कस्टमर्स वो जाने के बाद वहाँ उसके पीछे एक हॉलमार्किंग का मार्किंग होता है, कौन से प्योरिटी का है, और एक 6 डिजिट का HOID मार्क आता है. वो एक बार कस्टमर एक 10x का मैग्नीफिकेशन ग्लास से वो देख लेगा तो दैट इज़ ओके. कस्टमर को 2 चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. एक तो जो भी चीज़ वो लेते हैं उसका परफेक्ट टैक्स पेड इनवॉइस उसने वो ज्वेलर से लेना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है फॉर कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन. वो पीस पे वो मार्किंग है कि नहीं, और वो मार्किंग वो बिल पे हॉलमार्क लिखा हुआ है, ये देखना ज़रूरी है. ये अगर 2 चीज़ कस्टमर करता है तो उसका प्रोटेक्शन 100% हो जाए.
GST बेचने वाले को भी प्रॉब्लम होगी, तो इसका
एक्चुअली
सेटबैक
GST आने से सब ज्वेलर्स खुश हैं, क्योंकि उनका काम एकदम सिंपल स्ट्रेट हो गया. इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट आने से उनको टैक्स में राहत मिल गई, तो ज्वेलर्स तो GST आने से 100% खुश है. और गोल्ड में 3% GST है, जो रेवेन्यू इक्विवेलेंस के हिसाब से हमारे हिसाब से थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए, लेकिन 3% गवर्नमेंट ने हमको सपोर्ट करके रखा है, तो उससे एब्सोल्युटली ज्वेलर्स को कोई तकलीफ नहीं है और रिटेलर्स भी है, जो कस्टमर भी है वो भी खुश है, तो हमें जीएसटी के हिसाब से कोई तकलीफ नहीं है।